Smile.
You can touch my pussy, it is so juicy. Tell me I'm a bad bitch. Oh yeah, I'm bad bitch.
Close the door!
You're funny.
Woke up this morning, I didn't give a fuck.
I stood outside with my peanut out, like usual.
Be a good girl and bend over for Tommy.
With a little bit of tism comes a little bit of fun. If you got a bit
Knock knock, who's there? Autism. Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Yo! Yo!
It's the final brain cell.
Honestly, I'm just that bitch. It's called privilege.
I'm just a fucking kid and I got a big ass head. I'm only spraying, I'm Caillou.
Do y'all have one of these? Me looking around in the house.
Oh, princess. Princess, where are you?